In our society, there is a prevailing notion that money is the root of all evil. It's a belief deeply ingrained in our culture that often leads to an uncomfortable relationship with wealth. But is money truly the villain in this story? Or is there a more nuanced perspective to consider? We'll explore some of the reasons people believe and justify why money is evil, break it down, and try to build a more balanced relationship with it. Let's clear some misconceptions about the love of money. We've all heard the age-old adage, love of money is the root of all evil. What does this mean? Obviously, it means that money is evil, right? Well, in actuality, money itself is neutral. This saying highlights the dangers of valuing money over people. Loving money means propping yourself over others, using them for your own gain, or isolating yourself from them. It's better to recognize money for what it truly is, a tool, nothing more, nothing less. However, FOMO, or the fear of missing out, makes many of us tie our self-worth to the size of our bank accounts. One of the main reasons is that since people are social creatures, we seek companionship and camaraderie in many ways, and for some, if we don't have large sums of money, or at least give off the illusion that we do, then we suffer the crippling fear of missing out on memorable moments, opportunities to be happy, and the respect of others. This fear can cause desperation, making us more susceptible to making bad financial decisions, excessive worry, and an overall toxic relationship with money. It's no one's fault. We've all fallen prey to the social stigma of big money at some point. Everyone's reason is different. The consequences of this stigma can be impulse spending on things that just end up gathering dust, living beyond your means to keep up appearances, and peer pressure from people who use you. It becomes a vicious cycle that heightens anxiety and worsens desperation just for the sake of trying to keep up with everyone. It soon becomes an addiction that forces extreme measures on you, like lying, cheating, stealing, and using any other means to get more money. This is why the other half of society often associates it with greed, corruption, and moral decay. But let's pause for a moment and consider that money is an inanimate object. It doesn't possess intentions, emotions, or ethics. Its nature is neutral. It is our choices and actions that define its role in our lives. The truth is that money itself isn't the cause of our problems. It's our attitudes and behaviors toward money that require real examination and judgment. The true nature of money and wealth, at their core, are value-neutral entities that bring out people's true colors. Good-hearted individuals use their financial resources to uplift others, support charitable causes, and make the world a better place. In contrast, those with ulterior motives may employ their wealth for self-serving purposes. However appealing it might seem to have vast riches, you'll quickly realize how empty you are without genuine people to balance it out. Balancing priorities is what's needed, meaning prioritizing relationships, values, and integrity over the relentless pursuit of money. Caring about money is not inherently wrong, however. What's essential is caring for the right reasons. When harnessed for positive purposes, money can change lives and even transform entire communities. By supporting family, creating financial stability, and actively contributing to your community and society, money becomes a tool that empowers us to make a meaningful impact on the world, fostering a brighter future for all. On the other hand, chasing wealth for ego, status, power, or influence can lead to a distorted view of prosperity, resulting in a severe lack of true happiness and purpose. It's a widespread fallacy that money can buy happiness. In reality, happiness is gained by taking the necessary steps in your life journey, fulfilling your purpose, embracing emotional health, and striving for an abundant life. To achieve financial freedom, it is vital to break free from the need for others' opinions and your past circumstances, because they just don't matter, now or in the long run. True financial freedom is rooted in emotional freedom and self-acceptance. The first logical step is to educate yourself on proper budgeting techniques and lose the fear of managing your finances and making money, because the modern world functions with financial decisions, both good and bad, since money touches every part of your life. People actually find this overwhelming, as many individuals have never received proper education or guidance on managing finances, leading to ignorance about financial principles and practices. That is why many couples struggle to communicate about their economic issues, resulting in unneeded drama and stress. Once you learn, you'll begin to find ways to use money in a positive way to work in abundance. When you work in abundance, you work for your passions and aspirations. That is where true wealth lies, Your money could be here today and gone tomorrow. Abundance is what will truly satisfy your needs and will result in new avenues becoming available to you, money being one of them. But remember, your identity isn't defined by the amount of money you possess. When you understand who you truly are and appreciate your intrinsic worth, the opinions of others become of zero concern. Money should not be a reflection of your self-worth, but rather a tool to facilitate your goals and pave the way for yourself and those who will inevitably follow and support you. To summarize, it is time to revise our perception of money. Money is not evil. Instead, it's a powerful tool that can either harm or benefit, depending on how it's used and who uses it. By embracing a more balanced and holistic view of money, we can harness its potential for positive change in our lives and the community at large. Money should not be the villain. Rather, it is the choices we make that define the narrative. So, let's take back control and make our money work for us. Thank you for watching. If you found this content helpful and wish to share your own thoughts, please leave a comment down below. I hope you come around again for more insightful discussions from Tales of the Path. Until next time.